Welcome back. Today I'm joined by my friend Elmo, who also happens to be one of my favorite ground rules. Elmo actually is an acronym that stands for Enough. Let's move on. And you would be amazed at how powerful Elmo can be in a workshop to give participants an opportunity to call an end to discussions that go on and on. So you may be asking, how do you make my friend Elmo work for you? It's really pretty simple. Set up the ground rule and let folks know at any point if they think the conversation has gone on too long or it's just now not on point, to raise their hand and ask a simple question. Have we Elmo'd this? As a facilitator, when you hear that question, what you want to do next is just do a simple poll of the room. If over half the people, when you ask them, have we Elmo'd this? If more than half the people raise their hand, then you say, we're gone. We're moving on. If only one or two, though, say that we've Elmo'd it, I don't want them to hijack the meeting. So what I will often do is to say, all right, looks like a couple people think we've Elmo'd this, so let's give it another 3 or 4 minutes. How about that? With that one small ground rule, what you will do is empower all of the participants in your meeting to take control of that discussion when it starts to spiral out of control. And as facilitators, aren't we all trying to empower our team to deliver the best results they can?